Hello everybody. So it is getting really dark in here, so I have my light shining on my face. And what I'm going to be showing you is how you can nest your VLOOKUP and match function together. And now here's the thing, you've seen our VLOOKUP function exact match video, and you must be curious, how about I don't want to count the column by myself? And some people might find it very troublesome, as every time when they import facts table into the Excel, they find it really troublesome of continuously counting where are the column that they're going to be extracting. So today I'll be showing you how you can combine nest your match function and VLOOKUP function into one formula, and let the match function tell you where your column index is instead of you counting it yourself. So if you're actually just finished watching our exact match mode using VLOOKUP function, you have come to the right place. Keep watching.
Okay, so I am actually continuing from the last video, and if you have not watched it, please go ahead and watch it, because this is the continuous series from the previous video. And alright, if you just finished watching it, we're gonna just continue it from here. Now let's go to this number 3 here, and I'm gonna be replacing this number 3 by using our match function. Alright, so match function is one of my favorite functions of all. It tells you the location of your lookup value, whether the location can be in a column, it can be in a row as well. So I'm gonna say match function, you go ahead and find my date from my table, which is from my fact sales table, and among the headers I need you to tell me the index, which is the position number. So one thing that I like about table is you can access to the whole header row by using as such. I'm gonna be start parentheses, and here you have the headers, and then go ahead and close it with a 0 to tell them that I want exact match. Close your bracket and hit enter, and voila. So from here I would drag it or just copy the formula towards the right hand side. Nothing has changed, that's a good thing. So if I decided that I might not want my products anymore, I would like to change it to, let's say I would like to have the region. When I hit enter, this is how awesome this is. Alright, by using the match function, match will say, okay, so we're taking this region, and go ahead and look for the header from the table, which position that this product or region is from. So they're gonna start counting. This is going to be your index number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It will return and tell you that, hey, I found out that the region is located at the location number 6 of the headers, which is also means that we used to need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to reach up to the 6th column, and now we will just need to use the match function to tell us where these regions are. So it says it is from column number 6, or it says that it's from index number 6. As I change my mind, I might not want to know about profit anymore. I'd like to know about the sales. Let's extract the sales. The moment I hit sales, enter, and there they retrieve the sales immediately from the 4th column, or the index number 4. Alright, so that is how cool it is, that I like. That is how I usually like to use my match function with table, with VLOOKUP. And some people might say, and I don't like how the way that you use it, can we create a nested function? Sure, so this is how you can do it. I'm gonna just double click from my date table. Right, instead of reference it from B2, I'll be inputting my match function in within here. And then from here, I'm going to say you go and find your date column. Again, you have to make the row as an absolute row, continue with looking from this fact sales hash headers and 0 for exact match. Enter from here, copy and highlight the whole place, right click and select FX, and that's it. So let's check out our region column and let's check out our sales column. So if you were to nest the function in within the VLOOKUP, you do not need this row anymore, because the match function here has a responsibility, which is to search for which position index of the header is from, and that's it.
And that's how I usually will use my match function with table and VLOOKUP together, because I'm such a lazy person. So I'll try to find the simplest way, the quickest way to solve my problem, so I do not need to spend time counting those columns again and again and again. So I hope you like it. I hope you practice it. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.